How to block all incoming calls on iPhone. So if you want to block all of the incoming calls on iPhone, then just follow the steps. The first thing you can do is you can set up the do not disturb mode. You can go with your settings. Under settings, you will have the do not disturb option, and you just need to simply tap on do not disturb and toggle it on. Once you toggle it on, you need to go with allow calls from, and under that you can select no one or select the calls you want to receive while in do not disturb mode. To block all the incoming calls while you're in this mode, select no one. And if you want to receive calls from peoples in your favorites list, then you can select the favorites and you can tap on the back button. This brings back to the do not disturb screen. Now you will have repeated calls option, right? So you just need to simply toggle off that repeated calls also. If you leave the switch green or on, anyone who calls you twice in a row will be able to reach you even though you're in do not disturb mode. Turn it off prevents this from happening. So that's how you can block all the incoming calls on iPhone, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.